What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be printing on something a little different than I usually print on. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm printing on, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, today I'm going to be doing a little bit of sublimation printing. I'm going to be printing on an item that I haven't really printed on. Well, I have kind of printed on this before, but it wasn't using sublimation. So I'm just going to show you guys right here. Right here, this is a towel that I'm going to be sublimating for my team. I keep saying for my team, but y'all know I do basketball training for my group, for my basketball training group. So as you guys see right here, the measurements of this towel, I don't know exactly. Let me get the measuring tape and I can let you guys know. Okay, so this towel is going to be about 17 by 11. 11 by 17 is about the size of this towel. So I already have my design and everything, so I'm gonna let you guys check it out. And I have not, I'm really kind of just experimenting a little bit, y'all, because I actually have not printed out a test print or anything like that, but that's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna show you right here. Right there, you see my design is gonna be in lime green, and that's supposed to be lime green and charcoal gray. But we're gonna print out a test just to kind of check out the colors and see, because I did not look up the information for the exact colors and nothing like that. I might have to do it. I kind of just wanted to see what it's going to look like. So I'll probably do a test print with this, even if it does not come out right. Yeah, because I'm printing for my, it's printing for my benefit, that I'm going to be handing out to the kids. So, but yeah, I went ahead and set everything up. Got my printer over here. It's looking like it don't want to do nothing right now, but I'm about to go back over to the computer and I'm gonna go ahead and send the job to the printer and get things crack-a-lacking. All right, so let me do this just so you guys can kind of check it out a little bit better. View extras. I'm gonna take the extras off so you can check it out. That's what it's looking like right there. So now I am going to hit print. And switch printers, because I got it's 5011 printers hooked up. So I'm gonna go to the Epson right here, and I'm gonna have to fix the print setup. It is on 13 by 19. All right, paper cassette, color, more options. Yeah, I'm not gonna fool around too much with that. I'm just gonna see what it does right there. And plain bright white paper is what I have. Yeah, plain paper right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and print it out and see what it does. And I don't know why one side is closer than the other side. I don't know, but I did leave a little extra room, so I shouldn't have to have all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and print it. Proceed. We're gonna see. It's probably the printer around there is probably telling me a message right now. It says you have not installed. Okay, so yeah, I don't like that the printer does this. I want to continue. Continue. I know what ink is in this printer. Epson. Don't be trying to trick me to hit the wrong thing. Let me go around here and I'm gonna check this printer out, because I'm pretty sure, I don't even understand why it does this, because you change the paper on the computer, but this another reason. Like right here saying the paper does not match. If y'all can see that, the paper does not match. Okay, I got it set on the computer of what I wanted. So I'm just gonna hit done. And I'm going to select the correct paper, and I'm going to say print. All right, so it's pulling the paper through right there. Hopefully it'll come out good. All right, the gray came out okay. The lime is not exactly the color I would like for it to be. All right, so here is the design right here. I think swag basketball is kind of huge on there, but what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and print it anyway. And let me come around here. And right here, as you guys see, there are like some lines in this right here. But last time I printed something like this, it had a few lines in it, and the lines didn't even matter, because I guess the ink gets in there and does its thing. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one towel right here, and I'm going to lay it down on here, and I'm going to try to see what it's looking like. Yeah, swag is on there. Swag is on there pretty big. But we're gonna print it anyway, just to check it out. And then the other thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to decide if I'm gonna print this side of the towel, because this side of the towel is gonna have the design on it. So that's what we're gonna do. And one thing I didn't like with these towels is y'all see how this thing is right here? You know, I didn't really want to have to cut this tag off, but it's really not in a convenient place. Now, when I go over here and check out this this other towel that I printed before right here, it's got the like if you look for the tag, it's like up here. It's like beneath it's on like the more fuzzy side, and this is the more smooth side for that towel. So y'all can kind of see, you know, what that one is working with too. All right, so the last thing I printed was on a small thing right here, as you guys see. So I'm gonna have to remove this and put my big platen back on here. I need to get a cover for my big platen. There's a person on the Print Squad group page that actually makes, my bad, that actually makes these covers. So I'm gonna have to get with her and go ahead and order me a cover. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some butcher paper, and once the heat press gets to the right temperature, I'll be back over here ready to print this towel for you guys. All right, I got my butcher paper right here lined up, you know, so that it protects my bottom platen. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the towel on here and the design on here. And I am still waiting for the machine to get on the right level. But I don't know what this is on the back of here. Don't know what's going on with this Epson. I had thought about putting some lines on here so that I would know exactly where to place this, but I'm gonna just place it the best that I can right now. So about right here will be good for it. So I got that right there and right here. Make sure it's straight on here. I think we're gonna be good. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this cover, the cover sheet over it right here. The heat press is still not heated up though, so as soon as the heat press heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and be pressing it. But you can see my setup right here. Have the towel beneath there, have everything here. Everything is ready to go. All I have to do is wait so that I can, the heat press can be hot enough and I can get the right temperature and press and everything. All right, Print Squad, the heat press is heated up right there, 401 degrees, and a train will be coming. No trains came the whole time I was waiting, but 401 degrees right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and, even with the train in the background, go ahead and get started so I can go ahead and print this and let you guys check it out. All right, so I got everything set up right here. So now what I'm gonna do, I don't think I really need a Teflon cover, but I'm gonna just put it on. Actually, I'm not even gonna use it because I don't really think I need it. But I'm gonna go ahead and close everything up. All right, so 3 seconds. All right, we're gonna check this out and we're gonna see what's going on right here, okay? All right, so we got the towel right there. We peel that towel off and voila, here's what the towel is looking like, y'all. It actually came out nice, but I don't know if it's the exact colors. And look at here, you see that? That's a little white patch on there. I'm gonna have to do better on that part. But yeah, right here you can see it dyed this thing right here. But yeah, I just wanted to test this out, and you see right here, this is what it's looking like. I think it came out fairly decent. So y'all check it out and y'all let me know what y'all think about it. And also, I don't know if I don't know. Because this is just for my team, I kind of don't think that I'm going to print on this back side. I think I'm just going to print on the front side, you know, just because it's just for my team. And what is this? You see this right here? Something came off on here. I guess that's why it was white on this side right here. Well, no, that was on this part right here. Like, this is the film right here. This is what everything is looking like after I printed it. You can see it was darker right there and it's lighter right here. Kind of the threads, it was kind of bent right there a little bit. I have to make sure that it's exactly flat the next time I print something. But yeah, this is what the towel is looking like so far. You guys can check it out. I think it came out pretty decent. Let me check it out. I'm gonna just kind of look at it and see what my thoughts are on it. Yeah, I lined it up pretty decent. Yeah, I'm gonna get over here in the better lighting and see what it looks like and let you guys know what I think about that. All right, so right here, I just got it flat on here checking it out. I guess this is kind of gray. I mean, it's okay. It's not, I don't know. I guess it's okay gray. It's okay gray. And as you see, this is what everything is looking like. I probably should have folded this part down right here behind here so that little part wouldn't get done. But yeah, I know that now, so I'll fold that down from now on, maybe tape it down. But this is what everything's looking like. So I like it. I think it came out nice. And I want to know what y'all think. I'm not going to print the back side now for these, but I want to know what y'all think. If you were doing these towels, would you print the front and the back side, or would you just print the front side like how I did right here? That's about all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel or my T-Shirt Chick Live channel, go ahead and subscribe to both, and be sure to hit the notification bell on both. And remember, on the T-Shirt Chick Live channel, which is the one with the red logo, I do live streams Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. And also, you can follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV. You can purchase Print Squad t-shirts at tshirtchicktv.com. And you can also join the Print Squad group on Facebook. If you need help with different things, there's always people available to answer, and you get many different answers on there. So that's a good community to be a part of. And I also leave links down below this video for equipment, supplies, products that I use. So y'all be sure to check them out. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.